in this video. Hello everybody and welcome to the 41st video on the channel. Time is flying by. We are already done with 40 videos. Now please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more awesome videos just like this. Without further ado, let's move on to our answers to our previous question. For our last video, we had one practice problem, and the answer to that was 30 degrees. Alright, let's move on to the lesson. Today's lesson is another geometry theorem. It's called the angle bisector theorem. You see, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD because that's just a rule. Well, because AD, the line AD, it bisects, so that's a given. And if that's a given, then BD divided by BC, so this line segment divided by this line segment in red is equal to this line segment AB divided by this line segment AC. I think it would be easier for the examples, and this is a very simple theorem, and this will be the last of the simple theorems before things start to get a little harder. Just saying. Let's move on to the examples. Alright, for today we have one example, and that is to find the missing side, which is one of its most common applications. So, if we see here, we have a line that bisected the two angles, since so they're equal. And we have 3, 4, and 12, and we want to find the side with the question mark. So, let's start with labeling. Now, normally you probably wouldn't need this, but it's pretty useful to do, especially since this is your first time seeing it, or it might be. I'm assuming for most people this is the first time they've seen it. So A, B, C. Alright, now that we have A, B, and C, and then the middle point is D, we can look at it like this. BD over BC is equal to AB over AC. And this is how it normally goes. So if we plug in the values, we get 3 over 4 is equal to question mark over 12. Alright, after that, what we're going to do is to figure out this, we're just going to multiply 12 on both sides. So that's equal to 9 is equal to the question. So that side is equal to 9. Let's move on to the practice problems. For today, we have one practice problem where we have 3 of the 4 sides given, and we want to find the side with the question mark. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, and bye-bye.